Manipur Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchand today stated that development of more new hospitals in the state has reduced the number of people going outside for medical treatment. Khemchand was speaking at the inauguration of a clinic Men Se Khang Sowarikpa Imphal branch at Ghari, which is the Tibetan Medical and Astro Institute under Manipur International University. Besides Khemchand, Director of Jenims Dr. Bhimo and Chancellor of Manipur International University Dr. Harikumar Palthatka attended the function. The Delhi police this morning imposed Section 144 in New Delhi's Shaheen Bagh along with a heavy deployment of police personnel. The Hindu Sena had earlier called for a gathering to clear the Shaheen Bagh protest site on March 1st, stating that Delhi police had failed to clear the road that has been blocked by anti-CAA protesters since over 2 months. While the fringe right-wing group yesterday called off its proposed protest, police officials said Section 144 was imposed as a precautionary measure in the wake of the communal riots in northeast Delhi. China today reported 35 more deaths from the new coronavirus, taking the toll in the country to 2,870 as per AMIDA reports. The number is lower than the 47 fatalities reported by Chinese authorities yesterday. The National Health Commission also reported 573 new infections, bringing the total number of cases in mainland China to 79,824. Lions Club International District 322D organized its 14th Annual Region Conference 2020 today at lamjingbatomtv Palace Compound. 38 Lions Club of Manipur attended the conference organized by Lions Club of Imphal, Imphal Laimarol Moirang and Imphal Global. Kanglei Park Students Association KSA organized a cycle rally this morning which was kicked off from Kangla Gate in Imphal City. Many cycle enthusiasts took part in the rally. The rally was organized to promote the upcoming 9th Kanglei Mega Sports Festival 2020 to be held from March 8 to 13. The theme of the cycle rally was Sports for a Change. Awards for the 48th Manipur Sumang Lila Festival 2020 were distributed during a function organized by Manipur State Kala Academy at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglen yesterday. The Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly is all set to go paperless from the upcoming budget session. Assembly Speaker Pasang Dorji Sona yesterday said that the fourth session of the Assembly will take place on an e-Vidhan platform. Aimed at making the functioning of state legislatures paperless, the National e-Vidhan application NEVA is all set for rollout to make the Assembly proceedings paperless. A maiden international century by Heinrich Klaasen set up a 47-run win for South Africa in the first one-day international against Australia at Boland Park yesterday. Klaasen hit 123 not out in South African total of 291 for 7. Australia were on target midway through their reply but lost their last 7 wickets for 43 runs to be bowled out for 217.